Good morning, students. Good morning. Welcome. 35 problem preparation of trial balance. Earlier two problems also we prepared trial balance. Our trial balance is the fourth stage in accountancy. The first stage is transaction, second one is journal entries, third one is ledger accounts, fourth one is a trial balance. So what exactly the journal entry is? It is a basic for accounting. It is a building block of double entry system, which is a very basic to double accounting system. So what is double accounting system? The transaction is written in debit and credit format to record the accounting transactions of an organization. Okay, so that is journal entry. What is the advantage of journal entry? Which is the possibility to track of business transactions and also know about the money used and money received. That is journal entry. Look at the format. Journal entries are two types. Specific general journal entries are there. Specific journal entries are there. Specific journal entries are asked for keeping the subsidiary books. We will move to next chapter for understanding the subsidiary books. Next, coming to the ledger. It is a summary of all accounts. What are the ledger accounts which we opened in journal entry? Those ledger accounts are separately opened in this format: date, description, journal folio number, amount for debit, similar headings for credit, and all the transactions which are related to particular account, cash, furniture, like that, were posted into that particular ledger account. Okay. So the balance of ledger account is transferred to trial balance. Balances of ledger accounts are transferred to trial balance. That is trial balance. Why we prepare trial balance is, as usually we post the transactions to debit and as well as credit. Debit amount is equal to credit. So at a point of time, we want to know whether we posted, recorded correct or not. So to know that arithmetic accuracy, we prepare all debit items one side, all credit balances of one side, and the debit balances are equal to credit balances. That is called arithmetic accuracy. So at any cost, we achieve this arithmetic accuracy because we are following double entry system. So trial balance is a statement of or the record that lists down all of the closing account ledgers of the entity for a specific period of time. Trial balance is the statement or the record that lists down all of the closing account ledgers of a company for a specific period of time. 1 month or 6 months or full year. The closing balances of ledger accounts were recorded in a statement form. That statement is called as trial balance. Those ledgers present in debit and credit based on nature of accounts. We had three types of accounts, that is personal, real, nominal, and according to the rules, some accounts are debited, one account is debited, another account is credited. So if the balance of assets that will be posted debit side of trial balance. Balances of expenses posted debit side of trial balance. balances of losses posted debit side of trial balance. So, debit of trial balance, we post three. Those are assets, expenses, losses. In contrary to that, liabilities, capital is trial balance credit, incomes and gains, trial balance credit. Trial balance is normally prepared with 5 columns, 4 columns, and 3 columns also. The financial statements of a company are preparing in many different stages, from the primary records in sales, day books, purchase day books, journal ledger, then to trial balance. Okay, we already studied that one. That is first transaction. Those were written in day book, later sales book, purchase book, subsidiary books are there. Next unit we will understand that. And those who are not considered subsidiary books, that will be posted in journal ledger, then go to trial balance. That ledger balances were posted into trial. Finally, producing the draft financial statement. From the trial balance, we prepare financial statements. Those are trading profit and loss account and balance sheet, where accounting ends. Okay, so then we just know about the process in accounting. Transactions were written in form of journal entries. Journal entries were posted into ledger accounts. Closing ledger balances were posted in the statement called as trial balance, either debit side or credit side according to the nature of the accounts. From the trial balance, we prepare financial statements. Those financial statements are trading profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Okay, that is. So again, we will understand what is trial balance and what's its objectives. As already we studied, trial balance is a statement which consists of debit and credit balances of various accounts. Accounts are various ledgers on a particular date. So here we are using 3 columns: particulars, debit, and credit. Okay, the objective of preparation of trial balance, main objective of trial balance is to know the arithmetic accuracy. Arithmetic accuracy. It is a basis for preparation of financial statements. Those are trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. It presents the entire ledger as summarized form or in a summarized. All the ledgers were summarized in trial balance. Okay. Two methods are there to prepare trial balance. One is the totals method or balances method. Usually we follow balances method. Means balances of ledger accounts were posted debit and credit side of statement, that is trial balance. Okay. Here you look at the trial balance format. Cash, which is asset, capital, liability, purchases, asset. John is a creditor, showed credit side. Sales are always credit. Sales are always credit. Okay. So, oddly, we have to remember debit side of trial balance, we will post assets, expenses, and losses. In contrary to these three, liabilities, incomes, and gains were posted in credit side of trial balance. So, problem number 35, look at your reader and right. Capital. Capital is liability 8950. Drawings opposite to capital. Capital is liability, credit, drawings are always debit. Amount is 1050. Next is stock, opening stock 3725. Purchase is always debit, sales always credit. Lighting and heating is expense. Lighting and heating 310. Equipment is asset. Carriage inward, carriage outward are expenses. All expenses are debit. Return outwards are the purchase returns. Return outwards are purchase returns. Purchases are debit, purchase returns are credit. Provision for bad. Remember students, provisions, reserves, always credit. Provision for bad debts. Discount allowed is loss. Carriage outward 230, carriage inward 195, return outward 290. Return outwards is 290. Provision for bandits 350. Discount allowed is 315. Rent rates and insurance is expenses. Motor vehicle is asset. Cash in hand also asset. Sundry debtors. Sundry creditors is liability. Sundry returns. One three two nine zero. Bank code is like 970. Okay, so I separated all the assets, expenses, losses, debit, and all incomes and gains. Okay, check once again. And now we total the amounts. Credit total is we will take the help of Excel. Excel is a worksheet where we can do the many functions are available in Excel. You know very well, I think. Drawings 1050, stock 3725, 23100, 6205, wages and salaries. Wages and salaries. 6205. So we add this one, this. Right. One amount is 54,630. Another amount is 54,915. Difference amount is 1050, 3725, 23,100, 6205, 310, 3,600, 230, 105, 315, 115, 147, 110, 975. 975. 5560. Right. The amount is, this is 920. Wrongly posted. It's not 290, it is 920. Okay. Now the amount debit total we are getting 55,260. But credit we are getting, credit total we are getting 54,915. The difference amount is 345. Credit side is less. Simply we will write suspense account and later we will find what is exactly mistake either in totaling or either in posting. What we will take one column, suspense account, 345. Okay, when we post this 345, then we will get balance total. 50 by 260, both are 10. So later we have to verify the journal posting and everything. How we got this difference. Okay, students, at 7:38. Also, I will explain before that you try yourself. Okay, students, bye.